Hey guys, I know that sometimes doing a brow is a bit of a struggle. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the step I take to achieve my go-to, that is my everyday brow. First of all, I brush my brows in the direction I want them to go using the brow brush from Emax design. I love this brow brush so much. So using my dark brown pencil, I outline my brows starting from the bottom towards the arch of my brows. Then I do the same thing at the bottom, but this time I shifted my hands a little bit backwards so that it can give me that natural finish in the front. So after that, I combed it again, to give my brow the nice shape I want it to have, using the same brow brush I used. So after outlining my brows, I fill them in using my brow gel from Adele in the shade chocolate, and I fill them from the back to the front, thereby making the front, thereby having less product in the front, because I know I have more hair in the front than at the back. So I filled it in using my angled brush from Emax, and then I combed it again with the same brow brush I used. So after that, to clean up the brows, I use two concealers. The darker one will be for the darker one will be for the top of the brows, and then the lighter ones will go underneath the brows. So the concealer I'll be using for this brows are from LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'll be using the lighter one is toffee, and the darker one is chestnut. So I use my flat brush. I love using a flat brush that has a little bit of the curve, and then I start from the back of the brow, that's starting from the arch of my brows, and then I move it slowly forward. And as I was doing it, at first when I was drawing the brow, you'd be like, oh, what is this girl doing? But girl, just trust the process. So I go gradually, slowly to forward, and then as I was going forward, the forward I go, the lighter the concealer is, as in the smaller quantity I take, so that I won't put the product over the brow I already created. So I did the same thing at the top, and then after that I use my fluffy brush to brush to clean up all the mess I created. And then I used my my foundation to take up there to at the top of my hair or the top of the brow, so that everything will look seamless and beautiful. And that is it. That's pretty much it, guys. Oh, come in, so get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come. I have always loved you. In my mind, I thought you knew. Though the rainbows come, I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, the love we had is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain, don't shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running. So guys, this is the finished eyebrow look or eyebrow tutorial. So I hope you learned how to do your brows using this technique.
Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.